Art Explorium. I'm Kayla, and in this video we're going to be making origami balloons. The materials you'll need are paper, pens, pencils or crayons, and scissors, but those are optional. We're going to start by taking our paper and taking the left-hand bottom corner and moving it all the way up to the right side and folding it to create a triangle. Then we're going to crease our paper . After we crease our paper, we can then cut and tear the excess piece off that's not part of our triangle. So I'm going to cut mine using my scissors, but if you don't have scissors, that's okay. You can tear it off as well. Alright. Now we're going to set that excess piece aside and we're going to unfold our paper. Now we're going to take some of our pens and take a few colors here, and we're just going to decorate our paper. So you can make any kind of design that you want. Feel free to get creative on this part. Now that we've decorated our piece of paper, we're going to flip it over so that the design is facing the table or the surface that you're making your origami on. And now we can begin folding. Great. So now you're going to want to fold your piece of paper into a triangle, just like we did to make the square, just folding another crease into our paper, and then we're going to unfold it. And then we're going to fold our piece of paper into a rectangle. And then we're going to go from the other way. Now that that's done, this is kind of where it gets tricky. So I'm going to take my piece of paper and I'm going to fold it from top to bottom now that my design is showing. I'm going to put my finger on top of this center point of my paper, and I'm going to take the first layer of the left hand side, and I'm going to bring it all the way over, fold it into a triangle, like so, and I'm going to fold it back. I'm going to do that again on the other side, folding it into a triangle, and push it down, and fold it back. So now you should have something that looks like this on the inside. Make sure this part faces towards you. Now I'm going to take my first flap on my left, and I'm going to bring the left point to this top point over here, and I'm just going to bend it right here and crease it. I'm going to do the same thing to the right side and crease it. Alright. After that, I'm going to take this corner and bring it towards the center line, like so, making sure that it's straight, and then I'm going to do that to the right hand side as well. Then I'm going to take these two flaps that are on the top and I'm going to bend them over, like so. Doing that to both sides, making sure I crease it. Make sure they're lined up with the other flap you just folded. Next, we're going to take this fold and we're going to tuck it in to this pocket right here. Make sure when you tuck it in, it sits flat on the table. Okay, and then you do that on both sides. Alright, now we're going to do that entire process again after we flip our paper over and continue. So, once again, we fold it up to the top, this corner up to the top. We're going to fold this corner to the center line, making sure it's straight. Then we're going to fold this right hand side do the same thing. Then we're going to take our flaps, fold them over, making sure they're aligned with the folds we previously just made. And then we're going to take them and tuck them into the pockets. So open it up and tuck it in. And after you tuck it in, make sure it's flat, rests flat on the table, and we'll do that to the other side as well. There we go. Alright, now one side of your origami piece should have a hole on it. And then you're just going to take that hole and you're going to blow into it. And there you have it, your origami paper balloon. You guys can juggle it or like see how many times you can keep it off the ground. It's pretty fun. Alright, thanks for watching everyone.